Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious toffee nut latte using an easy method. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need about 2 shots of freshly brewed espresso, 1 cup of your preferred milk, and 2 tablespoons of toffee nut syrup. Don't forget some whipped cream and a drizzle for that perfect finish. This easy method ensures a delightful treat right in your own kitchen, saving you a trip to the coffee shop. Next, brew your espresso. Whether you use an espresso machine, a mocha pot, or even strong coffee, aim for about 2 ounces. Once brewed, pour 2 tablespoons of toffee nut syrup directly into your serving mug. Then, add the hot espresso to the syrup. Give it a good stir to ensure the syrup is completely dissolved, creating a rich, sweet base for your latte. This step is crucial for flavor. Now, let's froth the milk. Heat about 1 cup of your chosen milk to around 150 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use a steam wand, a handheld frother, or even vigorously whisk it on the stovetop. The goal is to achieve a creamy, velvety texture with tiny, uniform bubbles. Avoid boiling the milk, as this can alter its taste and texture. This step adds that signature latte richness. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious toffee nut latte. Gently pour the frothed milk over the espresso and syrup mixture in your mug. Watch as the layers combine beautifully. For the ultimate treat, top it off with a generous dollop of whipped cream. A final drizzle of caramel or chocolate sauce adds a professional touch. Serve it immediately and enjoy your perfectly crafted, easy homemade latte.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.